Here we have Anderson, who's on my lap. Hello, Anderson. Hello. You being a big baby? And we have Samson over here, our big boy. Come on, Samson. Come down here. Come over here. And this cat is just spectacular looking. Come on. Come over here so everybody can see you. Come on. And what are you doing? You still sitting on my lap? Yes, alright, you get down. There you go. And let's see if we can get you to stand up, Samson. Because you are so beautiful. Yes. Look at this boy. Look at him. Yes. So, the last time they were here, it took Anderson a little while to acclimate. He was a little freaked out, and it did take him a little bit. Just looking at Tim walking by. It did take him a little bit to acclimate this time too. So I'm not quite sure. We played with the string. He wasn't too interested. What are you doing, Freshie? Look at you. Look at you. So sometimes they just change as they get a little bit older, and they take a little bit longer to acclimate. But they're both doing well, so don't worry about them. We'll be happy to see you when you pick up. Come on over here. But they're doing fine. Hello. And they're just here for a short stay. So I'm sure that they'll be doing just fine.